Question number 1. When a batsman hits the ball, the force applied makes the ball to change its direction, change its size, continue its motion, come to rest. Your 5 seconds starts now. The correct answer is change its direction. Question number 2. Extracting toothpaste from a toothpaste tube needs a force that is described as a pull, squeeze, exert, or stretch. Your 5 seconds starts now. The correct answer is squeeze. Question number 3. All subjects on the earth and falling objects experience magnetic force, gravitational force, contact force, or electrostatic force. The time starts now. The correct answer is gravitational force. Question number 4. 1 Newton is equivalent to 10 to the power 2 dyne, 10 to the power 4 dyne, 10 to the power 5 dyne, 10 to the power minus 7 dyne. Your time starts now. The correct answer is 10 to the power 5 dyne. Question number 5. Choose one which is not an example of contact force. Push, pull, magnetic, or stretch. Your time starts now. The correct answer is magnetic force. Question number 6. Select 3 examples of non-contact forces. Push, pull, stretch, squeeze, electrostatic, magnetic, gravitational, electrostatic, squeeze, or gravitational, magnetic, electrostatic. Your time starts now. The correct answer is gravitational, magnetic, and electrostatic force. Question number 7. Push, pull, stretch, and squeeze. These forces are which type of forces? Contact forces, non-contact forces, attraction forces, or none of these? Your time starts now. The correct answer is contact forces. Question number 8. In their general properties of non-contact forces, which one is not non-contact forces property? These forces come into act even though the objects are not in contact with each other. Number 2. These forces act through the space between the objects. Number 3. The magnitude of non-contact forces depends on the distance of separation. It decreases with the increase in the distance of separation. Number 4. A magnetic attracting iron clips towards itself. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. Number 4. A magnetic attracting iron clips towards itself. Question number 9. In following units, which one is SI unit of force? Your time starts now. The correct answer is Newton. Question number 10. Following objectives, which is a unit of torque? Newton, Newton meter, ohm, or torque? Your time starts now. The correct answer is Newton meter. Question number 11. The opening of water tap is an example of rotational motion, linear motion, circular motion, or none of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is rotational motion. Question number 12. Question number 12. 1 Newton meter is equivalent to 10 to the power 4 dyne centimeter, 10 to the power minus 7 dyne centimeter, 10 to the power 7 dyne centimeter, or 10 to the power minus 4 dyne centimeter. Your time starts now. The correct answer is 10 to the power 7 dyne centimeter. 13. A couple has the tendency to rotate the body in clockwise direction. Its moment is taken as 0, positive, negative, or maximum. Your time starts now. The correct answer is negative. 14. Moment of a couple equals to force into arm of couple, force into moment arm, force into Newton meter, or none of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is force into arm of couple. Question number 15. When a body moves in the circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called non-uniform circular motion, uniform circular motion, rotational motion, or none of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is uniform circular motion. Question number 16. Question number 16. The algebraic sum of the moment of weights of a particle about the center of gravity g is 0, negative, maximum, or minimum. Your 5 seconds start now. The correct answer is 0. The center of gravity of a boomerang is at its mid axis, its end, at its geometric center, or outside its body. Your 5 seconds starts now. The correct answer is outside its body. Question number 18. Centripetal and centrifugal forces are number 1. Equal magnitude and in same direction. Number 2. Unequal magnitude and in opposite direction. Number 3. Equal magnitude and opposite in direction. Number 4. Unequal and in same direction. Your time starts now. The correct answer is equal magnitude and in opposite in direction. Question number 19. The perpendicular distance between the points of application of force and the fulcrum is 2.5 meter. When a force of 80 Newton acts on a rigid body, calculate the moment of force. You are getting 10 seconds for this question. The correct answer is 200 Newton meter. Question number 20. Two opposites and parallel force, each of magnitude 5 Newton, acts as a couple at the two ends of a uniform rod of length 2 meter, freely pivoted at its center. Determine the total moment of the couple. You are getting 10 seconds for this question. The correct answer is 10 Newton meter. Thank you.